Hey guys, welcome back to Sudama English YouTube channel, and in today's video I walk you through the step-by-step process how to install Windows 11 25H2 Lite, or let's say Tiny11 to your unsupported PC. So without getting further ado, let's get started. If you go to the start menu and click on the app section, there is no extra apps, no bloatware at all. The only extra app you can see that is Microsoft Store. So let me tell you why the Microsoft Store is still there. Let's say if you want to install any browser, then you'll have to need this application. So if you want to install any browser, let's say Edge, then it's here and you gotta search from here and install from there. This is the one part. And another thing, Windows Update was missing in previous Tiny11 version, but in this version if you click on settings, go to Windows Update. Now you can see in this Tiny11 version you can get Windows 11 official updates. That means no more vulnerabilities. It's totally safe with a Windows 11 25H2 lighter version for your unsupported PC. So without further ado, let's get started with the installation process. So guys, first open a browser and search for Tiny11, and from there you can download Windows 11 25H2 version. That means Tiny11, or let's say Windows 11 25H2 Lite. So here's the link. You can also download from archive. So after downloading the ISO, you gotta search Rufus, and here's the site rufus.ie. Open it, and now scroll a bit, and here is the link. Click on the latest and download will start it. Close the ad and download started. Now when everything's download done, close the browser, and now open the file explorer, go to download, and here we'll see Rufus and Tiny11 25H2 ISO file. Now what you're gonna do is insert a pen drive to PC minimum 8 GB in size, and then just double tap on Rufus, click on yes. Again click on yes. Now it's done. Minimize this. Now click on select, click on download, and here you'll find Tiny11 25H2 October 25 file. Click on open. Now it's opened, and from the version scheme, click on the drop down and select GPT, and now click on start. But before clicking on start, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backtapped, because in this process your pen drive will be completely erased. So make sure it's backtapped. Click on yes. Now click on start, and here the tricky part, click on create a local account with username blah blah blah, whatever we want, and remove requirements 4 GB plus RAM, CPU and TPM 2.0. This is must if you want to install Windows 11 Lite to your supported PC. So rest all are your choice. Click on OK, click on OK, and now this process is gonna take 10 to 15 minutes. You will have to wait. Now when it's ready, it will be ready in green, and click on close. Now you gotta do is restart your PC and boot into boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can report this photo, otherwise you can search in Google. So now I'm gonna restart my PC and boot into boot menu. Now from the boot menu, select the USB drive and hit enter. On the installation, now the installation process is pretty simple. Click on next, choose a keyboard language, click on next, click on accept. Now if you want to install the boot, you gotta select your drive and click on next. And if you want to install clean, then on your keyboard press and hold shift plus F10, and command will be there, and type disk part and hit enter, and then type list space disk and hit enter, and then type cell space disk number. In my case, my disk number is 0. In your case, it may be 1, 2 or 3, whatever it is. Now hit enter, and now type clean. Clean means format. Make sure that every data on your hard drive or SSD is backtapped, cause in this process you're gonna lose everything you have stored on your SSD or hard drive. Click on enter, Now it's done. Now close it. Now just click on refresh. Now you can see it's done. Select an allocated space. Click on next. Now the installation has been started. Here you'll have to wait 10 to 15 minutes to complete the installation, and during the installation your PC may restart several times. There is no need to worry about. The installation process will be automatically started after each restart. Now just simply set up your computer. Select your region, click on yes. Select keyboard layout and click on yes. If you want to add layout or skip. If you want to connect the internet, you can do, or just click on I don't have internet. Scroll here and click on accept. Just wait a few seconds. Scroll a bit, click on accept. Congratulations! Tiny11 or Windows 11 25H2 Lite has been installed to your PC. You can see there is no apps, extra apps and bloatware at all. It's clean and light. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.